Welcome 8th standard. This is your maths teacher. We are going to learn practical geometry only through the video. So let me teach you questions, and you want to practice all the questions which is there in the book. Anyway, it is a construction, that is, it is a geometry. You should do by yourself. Then only you can get the correct answer. We enter into the exercise. Question is, they ask us to construct the following quadrilaterals A, B, C, D, and the measurements are given. So, if want to draw construction, that is, you want to draw geometry, definitely rough diagram is very, very important. Without rough diagram, you are unable to do the actual diagram. And rough diagram you want to do in this right top corner of your paper or notebook. So, since they ask us to draw construction, draw 4-side polygon and name all the values. While naming, usually while naming we want to name it in order, either A, B, C, D, like that only you want to write, or in this order, either clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction only you want to name. You should not name as, suppose if a quadrilateral is given, you should not name A, B, C, D. Should not name like random. It is a wrong way. So you want to name it in order, and it is given as AB is 4.5 cm, BC is 5.5, CD is 4 cm, AD is 6 cm, and AC is 7 cm. That is the question is given. This is the question. So I note down all the values. So to construct a quadrilateral, definitely we need 5 values. We need 5 values, either 4 sides and 1 diagonal, or 2 diagonals and 3 sides. So definitely we need at least 1 diagonal to construct a quadrilateral. So if diagonal is given, definitely diagonal will be given. Take the diagonal as base, then it will be easy for you to construct the quadrilateral. If you want to take something else also, no issues, but if you are taking diagonal as the base, then it will be very easy to construct the quadrilateral. So I am taking, so we know this is diagonal, AC is diagonal, right? So I am taking AC as the base. So always you want to use scale only to construct the base, whether it is right now triangle or quadrilateral or pentagon, whatever it is. Only to draw the base you want to use scale directly. Otherwise, for all the other sides, you should use compass. You are not supposed to use scale directly to draw all the other sides. So, as I told you earlier, I am taking AC as a base. So, AC is 7 centimeters, 0 to 7. Always don't forget to name it. AC is 7 centimeter. Then, so I drew this AC. So from keeping compass on C, we can draw 4 centimeter. இங்கே காம்பஸ் வச்சு இங்கே 4 சென்டிமீட்டர், சியில் 4 சென்டிமீட்டர் இருக்கணும், ஏல வைக்கிறப்போ 6 சென்டிமீட்டருக்கு ஒரு ஆர்க் வரையணும். ஸோ use scale, use compass, measure 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter we want to take on C. We draw this AC. Keeping on C, we want to draw one 4 centimeter arc. So I measured 4 centimeter. Keeping on C, I am drawing one arc of 4 centimeter. Okay, and keeping on A, we want to draw one more arc of 6 centimeter. That 6 centimeter should meet the arc which we have drawn earlier. So, on keeping on A, I am going to draw one arc that should meet, that should intersect arc like this. Then the point where this 2 arc is meeting is D. So, from A to D, what is the measurement is given? What measurement we have drawn? We have drawn AC as 6 cm. Then and there you write the measurement. You join all the line segment, then it will be easy for you at the last. Then CD, how many centimeter we have measured? We have measured 4 centimeter. And one more is there. So we have drawn this upper triangle. Now we are going to draw this lower triangle. Keeping compass on C, we want to draw 5.5 measure, 5.51 arc, and keeping compass on A, we want to draw an arc of 4.5 centimeter. So on C, how much measurement we want to take? 5.5. So on C, similarly, on C, draw an arc of 5.5 centimeter. Draw arc like this. And on A, we want to draw one more arc, that is 4 centimeter. That should intersect the previous arc which we have drawn already. On A, we want to draw one arc. This is the point where this A and B is meeting is B. So from A, how much measurement we have took? We took already, this is AB is 4.5 centimeter. Now on C, we have drawn 5.5 centimeter. So just join this and name it, write this as 5.5 centimeter. That's all. We have constructed a quadrilateral for the given measurement. And next one, that is question number 2, is also same thing. The value is given as, they ask us to construct a quadrilateral. The name is JUMP, J-U-M-P. Either like this or wherever you want, you can start, but it should be in order. Either like this, or you can name J-U-M-P. Like this also you can name J-U-M-P. J-U is 3.5 centimeter. This is point number 2. And M-U is, U-M is 4 centimeter. And M-P is 5 centimeter. P-J is 4.5 centimeter. And diagonal is, that is P-U. P-U, this is the diagonal. P-U is 6.5 centimeter. So as usual, same concept how we have drawn in the first question. Draw the second question also by yourself. Thank you. Meet you in the next video.